Hi, my name is Mike. I'm a professional contractor from the Oshawa area. I work in the GTA, and I want to tell you a little bit about this DEWALT. It's the 20 volt brushless hammer drill, and I've been meaning to upgrade to the brushless line of tools for a long time. I'm a long time DEWALT guy, and I'm glad I did because yeah, this drill is fantastic. Extended runtime. It's got great torque, and it's a great do-it-all drill. I've drilled into stainless steel, wood, concrete, tiles, porcelain, granite. Like, I've done it all with this drill, and I haven't been disappointed. And you know, it comes with like your standard battery, but you throw in an XR battery in this thing, and it will just go all day. It's a fantastic drill. Um, yeah, it's got all the features that you typically expect, except you got that hammer feature, which is really nice. So it saves you from having to run to grab your impact driver. So if you do need a one drill in your household, this is the one to do it. So that's the DEWALT 20 volt brushless hammer drill. And yeah, you might not use the hammer function all the time, but trust me, when you need it, it's great that it's there. So yeah, if you're looking for one drill, this is the one to get. If you're professional and you just need a dedicated hammer drill in your set, then by all means. Again, it's got that great DEWALT feel. It's comfortable, it's lightweight, and it's well balanced, so you don't get that arm fatigue or anything like that with this. I even had a coworker use this as an impact driver as well on the hammer setting, and he had great success with that as well. Yeah, so that's it. Great drill. Yeah, if you're looking for one, this is the one to get. I would definitely recommend the DEWALT 20 volt brushless hammer drill. It's the 1/2 inch one. It is fantastic. I'd recommend it to my family and friends in a heartbeat.